Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Halo teman-teman semua, bertemu kembali di channel ini. Kali ini aku akan mengajak kalian untuk melihat bus yang lewat di tol KM57, Tol Jakarta Cikampek. Ini videonya saya edit menjadi slow motion. Saya rekomendasikan untuk memakai headset atau earphone agar lebih seru dalam menyaksikan videonya. Selamat menonton ya teman-teman.
No stopping us. Fly without boarding pass. Couldn't catch me, I be moving fast. Call me a shooting star. Let 'em know who you are. Flying up in a bar. Wish on a star. Time to show 'em who's in charge. Call me a shooting star.
When they see me pouring some more, then gets empty again. Better fill it up before I go. Cause I'm loving it, feeling it, catch me and being it. See what I see in it, I'm typical. Messing around with it, mix it up, go with it, flow with it, let it all go. Oh Lord, think you know what I'm like, but you don't fall, you lose control. Bittersweet melody when I dance on your fly. Cause I know what you don't, it is me you adore. Does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They never seen you out of your head. Cut to the so hot, I forgot what I should have thought of before. Sure ain't easy for you to let off the rules, cause that's so much fun. Are you loving it, feeling it, catch me on you in it, don't say what you're saying. Messing around with it, mix it up, go with it, flow with it, please let it go. Oh no, that I really get set of you things I shouldn't have done. Well, bittersweet melody when I dance on your fly, cause I know what you don't. It is me you adore. How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They never seen you out of your bed. Cut to the bone, it's broken up. How sad. How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They never seen you out of your bed. Cut to the bone, it's broken up. I come alive with me and quit the jealousy. I know you're bored, I know it's boring me. Now come alive, baby, get out the grave with me. I know you're bored. How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They never seen you out of your head. Cut to the bone, it's broken up. How sad. How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They never seen you out of your head. Cut to the bone, it's broken up. How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They never seen you out of your head. Cut to the bone, it's broken up. How sad.
Gimana nih teman-teman? Apakah dari semua bus yang lewat ada bus yang kalian suka? Kalau ada, komen ya di bawah. Terima kasih.